All right, another lesson that causes you to be brutally honest with yourself. I want you to ask yourself, am I stuck? Am I stuck in a cycle? Spinning my wheels. A cycle of complaints, of not feeling recognized, not feeling appreciated, of seeking approval. Am I stuck in a cycle of not recognizing my own success, my own forward movement, feeling as if I have not earned the right to feel free? Are you stuck? And if the answer is yes, this next lesson, lesson 197, states that it can be but one thing that you can earn, just one. It can be but my gratitude I earn. So it flips the switch on what you are seeking. The constant seeking and searching will never bring a sense of fulfillment and peace until you see that everything is worthy of your gratitude, that it's coming from within and being expressed out. It's not something that you need from anyone or anything else. It is who you are. You are a being created in a state of gratitude. And so if you're able to connect with this, it can be but my gratitude I earn. That's all I seek. I seek my gratitude. Then suddenly everything looks different. I mean everything. So is it tough? Yeah, it sure is, absolutely. Because we're constantly seeking for validation. We're seeking to be thanked. We're seeking to recognize that we did some good in this world. And yet, if you recognize that you don't have to do anything to be good, nothing needs to happen in order for you to feel grateful. You've earned the right, because you exist, to be grateful. That is what true praise means. The fact that you are here, that you exist, that you defied all probabilities that stand in the way of you actually existing, to be here now in this moment and acknowledge all the wonderful things in your life. That brings true fulfillment and true peace. So sit with this. This is lesson 197. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share in your comments. Where are you struggling with recognizing the gratitude that's in your life? And if you're not struggling, let it all be revealed. Oh my goodness, everything about life is worthy of your gratitude. All of it. The lessons that you are learning are worthy of your gratitude. The hardships that you experienced. All the blessings that you see in your life. Enjoy this lesson, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next one. Thank you.